Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Unemotional Trader. Today I would be focusing on a very important trend reversal pattern known as the hammer. Let me quickly tell you in what kind of a situation would this pattern be helpful to you before moving on to what it actually is. So let's assume there is a stock XYZ and its price is moving in a downtrend. It's moving like down, pull back, down, pull back, down, pull back. So it's in a downtrend, right? And then suddenly one day a candlestick forms which looks like this. The key features of this type of a candlestick is that it has a very narrow body and a very long lower wick with no upper wick at all, right? So what it indicates is that the buyers in the market have managed to close the candle at this price, while the sellers in the market tried to tried to take the price down here, but they were unable to. The market rejected these prices, right? The bulls subdued the bears and closed the candle somewhere here. So that is why this pattern signals a trend reversal. There are high chances that the stock might start moving in this direction. So it could be a profitable trade if you can take an entry after a confirmation candle here. Just let this candle close and take an entry here and move on, right? Now I'll quickly show you an example of live market example of hammer. Okay, so this is the daily time frame chart for ITC, and if you see this stock from around 5th Feb onwards, it has been moving in the downtrend, right? It has been moving in the downtrend. Just a second. All right. Then if you closely see this particular candle, a hammer is formed here, right? And suddenly the stock has reversed its trend and it has started moving in this direction. And this happened on 16 March itself, like day before yesterday. So this is a live example of a hammer formation in stocks ITC. Now, whether it works out or not, whether the stock actually manages to reverse its trend and go for a long rally, that is yet to be seen. So let's see if it turns out well. I hope this information is of use to you and you could use it practically in your trading. Thank you guys, signing off. Do subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.